Annyeonghaseyo. Tonight's DIY project is to replace the battery for my Bimmer Remote Control. We are recommended to use the original Bimmer battery. Well, I prefer Renata or Panasonic. The code is 2032. My remote has a special hard casing, so to access to the battery compartment you have to open up this casing first. The first thing to remove is the holder knob screw. And there are two screws you need to open up. The screws are released. You can simply disassemble the hard metallic casing. There you go. The next thing is to take out the key and pry open the back casing. The old 2032 battery has been taken out, and to remind you all, must hold the battery like this, or preferably using a glove or plastic faucet. Do not ever hold the battery like this, as you will discharge the electricity of the battery instantly and reducing the lifespan. It's done. The new battery is installed and the remote is good to go.